First, we need to download VirtualBox. Go to virtualbox.org, then click Downloads Windows Host. After that, click VirtualBox and let's install it.
After installing VirtualBox, let's go to ubuntu.com. Then, let's download the ISO file. Now, create a virtual machine. Add name, then add ISO image. Let's choose Ubuntu ISO. After that, let's create username and password. Then click next, next, then finish. Then let's start the machine. Click enter to try and install Ubuntu. After that, let's select English language. Then click next, next, and next. Then install Ubuntu. Interactive installation, default installation. Check this. Then create your account. Then next, next, and finish.
What I like about VirtualBox is that it stands out for its cross-platform compatibility and its ability to host a variety of guest operating systems. Its snapshot functionality makes it easy to revert to previous states, while features like seamless mode, shared folders, and guest additions enhance integration and usability. The VirtualBox extension packs adds valuable capabilities such as USB support and disk encryption. Meanwhile, Ubuntu is renowned for its user-friendliness and stability, especially with its versions or LTS versions that offers extended support. Its strong community provides ample support and resources, while the vast software repositories and regular updates ensure access to the latest applications and security patches. These attributes make Ubuntu a reliable and secure choice for both beginners and advanced users.